Hi, Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make Aloo Mutter, a classic Indian dish which is just potatoes and peas, but this is made very easily with our Kadai sauce, which is on our Pinterest board. And also if you watch our YouTube channel, you'll find the recipe for a Kadai masala, and this is how this is made so easily with this sauce. Okay, so we are going to make aloo mutter. Now for this, it's a very simple recipe. Of course, you require one potato and lots of peas. So you can put lots of peas in it because I like it really sweet. And 1 cup of our kadai masala sauce, half of this tomato paste, ginger garlic paste, and this is chili powder. Chili powder, you can cut it down. I put a little more. And to start with, cumin and turmeric and cardamom powder, which will give it a little sweetness to it. And of course, finish it off with yogurt or cream, whichever you prefer. I prefer yogurt. And this will be our aloo mutter. Okay, so now our pan is really hot. As you can see, the handle is there, so I don't trip on the handle. And I'm going to put my oil. And this is how we start. Just like our aloo gobi recipe, we're going to start, let the oil become hot, and once it becomes hot, we're going to put the cumin seeds and the potatoes. Okay, so the oil is hot now, and you'll see this crackling of this cumin seeds. To this, I'm going to add my potatoes real fast so I don't burn the cumin seeds. Just lightly toast them. The potatoes. Okay, to this I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste. Ooh. Okay, so we added the ginger garlic paste, and now I'm going to add my kadai masala to this. Let it leave some of the oil, let it cook. Okay, let it simmer for some time. Now I'm going to add my turmeric and chili powder to this. Now, chili powder you can always put less, but I like it a little spicy. My wife doesn't like it. The spice is good, hot is good. Okay, so now we've got to let this potato cook. But before that, I'm going to add little tomato sauce to this. Okay, so 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Very important in kadai sauce to have, kadai masala to have tomato, to have a zing to it. So now you can see. Just mix it really good and let it cook now. Okay, to this now I'm going to add my salt and some water and let it all cook well. Simmer well, slowly. for about 5 minutes. Maybe some more water. So half a cup of water. Okay, so we are gonna put half a cup of water for the potatoes to cook in it. I'm gonna cover it up and let the potatoes simmer and let them cook. Okay, so now we had added some water to this stuff and let the potatoes cook. And let's see this. So the potatoes are nice and cooked. Okay, so the sauce is thickened. To this, we gotta be very careful. Keep it on real low so we can add this yogurt to it. You can also add cream. So this is about quarter cup of yogurt added to it, and very careful that you don't break this yogurt. So you gotta be careful when you put it. Okay, so this will bring what do you call a kind of tartiness to this sauce. Okay, so let's stir it real fast. Get my peas. And the cardamom powder, which goes very well with it so it doesn't get very spicy. Okay, now slowly cook this. Okay, so now it has been simmering for about 5 minutes and the sauce has thickened up really good. This is how it's gonna be, nice and soupy. You can make it a little thicker too if you want, but I like it soupy like that because I like to eat it with rice. And that's it, it's all ready to go. And this is our aloo mutter. And just like us on the YouTube channel and see all my recipes there.